Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So in order to do that, firstly you gotta open up the dialer app that looks just like that. Here on the top right corner of your display, go for these three dots, tap on them, choose settings. Here just go for the caller ID and spam, and all that it's left to do is to enable all the switches that are out here, or at least like the first two ones. This switch can be inactive, and the spam and robocalls will still be filtered out. So that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and bye bye.